Hey, what's up, Theta Network coin holder? What's going on this time? Theta Network condition is critical now because after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, as you can see here from last 24 hour, the Theta Network will very badly dumps down, but after that they will pumps up. So therefore, I am so happy, my friends, to the price will starting pumping up and the price will increasing now. As you can see here, my friend, this time a minus 0.56% the price decrease now in last 24 hour. So I think it's really bad news, my friend. But don't worry, after a fails, every coin will pumps up. But from last 3 days, as you can see here, 9.03% Theta Network will get a profit. So therefore, don't worry if they were fails down for a short time. So this is not a permanent. You can see here in last 24 hours they were fails down, but in last 12 hours 5.38% they will again recover the all loss and they will again starting moving upward. So therefore, all Theta Network holders, this is my personal experience, my personal opinion I share now. To please holders, don't starting selling. You will need to hold down. If you are starting holding, then 100% my friend in upcoming time the Theta Network price will increasing now. So without any doubt, kindly my friends hold down and don't starting selling. I hope my friends to in upcoming time the price will more increase and give you a very huge profit. So please, you will also need to don't starting selling. If you are starting holding, then I hope my friends to in upcoming time the Theta Network will give you a very good profit. All right, so this time as you can see my friend in last 4 hours if we check out, so 0.93% the price is increased. Therefore you will need to hold down and don't starting selling. Otherwise, if you are starting selling, then remember you will miss the chance of profit. So don't miss this chance. Please holders hold down. And my friends, I hope to in upcoming time they will easily hit now 10 USD dollar. But if they just only get a 5% profit in 5 days, in upcoming 5 days they will get just 5% profit. I hope to they will hit now 10 USD dollar. So thanks for watching holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope my friends in upcoming time the price will more increase. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.